Shut up. Right, how much is it? I bet it's 250. Bloody right, aren't I? Right, that's gonna be a lot of monies, so I can wait, I suppose. Right, Quark comic number 3. Can never remember what this is, nor can I remember how fast I have to beat it. It's gonna be tough. Eee. I can check now though.
Episode 3, Shadow of the Robot. For 6 days, Captain Quark clung to the ship like the dung of a giant green space bird. Finally, the ship arrived at its destination, a secret robotic laboratory on planet Magmos. Drawing on his mastery of the ancient art of disguise, Quark slipped into the laboratory completely undetected.
Somebody ordered pizza?
Quark's plan was flawless, but unbeknownst to our hero, his every move was being watched.
The famous Captain Quark couldn't possibly be this stupid.
He looks like Novice.
Even drooling
yeah, it looks like Novice from the Sonic the Hedgehog series,
Mad
the American
Science, for example. Shall I have him annihilated then?
Let him come to us. I'll have a special surprise waiting for him.
Yeah, I don't remember how this works at all. I can't remember this level at all, so this will be interesting. Let's see how quickly I can do it. And if I can't do it quickly, it's too bad. Aha, there was a secret. I thought so. No. Ah, it's hell. Okay, cool. Okay, that is cool. That is great. Oh my god. Okay, can't destroy that. Fair enough. 150, so let's do a voice, suppose. Oh yeah, secrets. Yeah, 1 minute 50. This level must be really short for that to be possible. There's no way this is doing in 1 minute 50. No chance. That takes far too long. Yeah, there's something up there. Don't be fooled by it. It's very clever, actually. Surprisingly clever for this game. I just dug into this game. This game is clever. I can give it that. It's clever in every aspect. Except not. How the fuck do you get that? There must be something up there. There is. I'm certain there's something up there. I'm certain I saw something up there. I'm certain. It looks like I saw something up there, but it isn't. I can't. It looks like there's something up there. It seriously does, but there isn't. So it's quite annoying. It's mildly annoying. Well, I'm back here in a matter of seconds, so it makes no difference.
Doesn't seem very practical, does it, sir?
There we go. Yeah, I can never remember what this level is. It's weird. Ow. There must be something up there. Maybe not. I'm missing so many, unless one of two things is happening. Either this level's really long and this time trial is really hard, or I've just been insanely slowness. Or I suppose I died and I just trying to. Well, I suppose this is actually quite easily possible, actually, thinking about it. Unless I miss the token, then I'm really quick. No, I've got a ball. If something goes mine. So I've got to slice off 1 minute and 26 seconds. Oh, Jesus. Well, at least that happened. I've got everything here, so I get like 20,000 or something. Yep, 20,000 exactly. So I'm awesome that way.
It's over, Nefarious.
Never! I am the greatest genius the galaxy has ever known. You're no match for the likes of me.
That's rich. I used to beat up geeks like you in high school. I'll bet your prom date came in a box that said batteries not included. Say, come to think of it, we've met before, haven't we?
No, of course not.
Mr. Buzzell's 9th grade biology class.
I always hated biology.
That's right. You were that freak with the headgear. Remember how you used to clean the chalkboard with your pants while you were still wearing them? Oh, good times.
You were 3 times my size, you stupid hole.
I was always big for my age.
You were 26.
Say, how about a wedgie for old time's sake? I think it's safe to say we've seen the last of Dr. Nefarious. Time to celebrate another job well done.
But the danger was far from over, for in defeating one menace to the galaxy, Quark had created another, even more terrifying evil.
And that's how it came about. Now let's try this thing. Gulp. It's gonna be hard, I can tell. Let's do it though. Do it, come on, let's do it. It's not too hard, I'm sure. Speed run! Come on, this is gonna be good. Let's go. Better not die. Oh, that's what's gonna kill me though. If anything does. If anything does, it'll be these things. Why is it not shooting up? Seriously, why is it not shooting up? It's not shooting up, damn it. It's not shooting up for me. Why the fuck is it not shooting up? I've wasted so much time for that. My analog stick fucking sucks. Damn you, analog. I need a miracle here. No, oh god. Ah, no! Man out! Shit, I'm so dead. Okay, there we go, that's not too bad. Come on, how long have we got left? It's not 25 seconds to do it! Not enough time, I don't think. I don't think there's just not enough time. Come on. Maybe. Oh, fuck, that. No! Ah, restart. Can't do it. Oh, wait, what? No! Fucking cunt! That is a cunt, that. I didn't think it would stay on the same fucking button. That's a bit unfair. That is unfair. They shouldn't do that. I'm not used to games doing that. That is possible. It's just a little bit hard. But yeah, we'll see. See if I can do this. Come on. Probably not. Yes, it's good, Lawrence. Yes. Don't be good, Lawrence. Yes. Fucking tires. The only thing that's getting me and killing me at the moment. Yes, I didn't forget. Didn't forget here. Okay. Oh, I can use the directional button. I'm so using that. You can use the D-pad. I'm so using that to do this. I hate anything other than D-pad with this sort of stuff. So I always fuck it up. Really badly. Oh, what? That was cheap. That was unbelievably cheap. Anyone who says that isn't cheap is a dick. You're gonna say it just to spite me now. Okay, that was close. Okay, I'm miles ahead of schedule than I was before. This is very easily doable. Even though I was just being really fast. Let's do it. Don't care, running out of time. Yeah, actually I wasn't running out of time, I had loads of time. Awesome.